Before we replace the cartridge, perhaps we should think, why are we replacing the cartridge? What is the fault with the cartridge? Well, the fault with this cartridge is the coupler. The coupler is broken, and it's probably because of wear and tear, and the material after a while deteriorates and fractures. So that's why this cartridge is being replaced. The one on the left has no coupler. The one on the right, the coupler's in place. The coupler transfers the vibration of the stylus to the crystals, the ceramic crystals, both right and left channel. Here I've shown the back of the plug on the shell, cartridge shell, and on the right the back of the plug of the cartridge. The picture in the middle is from the manufacturer, which shows the plug face on, as it would be plugged into the back of the cartridge. But when you're soldering, of course, you're soldering the pins normally from behind, so it's a bit misleading. Well, it's arrived. Guess where it came from. Okay, let's take a look inside. Very well packed, and there it is. Right, unwrapped it. That's a good sign. A 9TA HC. It's like the one that's 40. Yeah, there we are. It is an HC. Excellent. And the stylus is for LP. Right, to install the new cartridge, we start number 1. Mount cartridge onto the metal mount plate using the tweezers. Right, before you can mount it, you've got to take the plug off. It is keyed, so it's very hard to see. Try and show you. Right, that key is just here. Right, I've got a good idea. I'm going to use the old cartridge. Fortunately, I haven't thrown away. And this one is going to be our guide for soldering the new plug. So this is the old plug, which is keyed. Notice how it fits in very easily. So it's in the right way round. You can damage the cartridge, you see, if you solder with it plugged in. So if I can find the key, so easy to force these things. So that fits in easy. That's plugged in. Now we can solder it, knowing that the orientation is correct. Right, clean the pins and have soldered the lower two. That's the red and the blue. So they're soldered. Just got to do the top ones. So I did it outside. I just disconnected the wires so that I could connect them to the cartridge. That's the wires on. Remember, this is the old cartridge. We're going to now fit the new cartridge. So unplug it and plug in the new cartridge. Alright, that's the new cartridge plugged in. So just got to put the screw back and the top of the shell, and then it's ready to test. So with no grams set, we balance the arm. That's balanced. We'll set it there. 4 grams. And now to try it. So as before, we switch on. Lights on. We wait for the valves to warm up. Pleased to say it's all working. My dad did like marching music, so I put one of his marching records on.